If you want your WordPress image carousel to show more slides at once and instantly make your site look cleaner, more modern, and more engaging, then this guide is for you. And today I'll walk you through exactly how to increase the slide view count in WordPress in the simplest way possible. No coding, no plugins, just a clean step-by-step method you can follow right now. Let's get started. First, head over to your WordPress website and click the login button at the top right. If you prefer a quick, secure login, choose the Continue with Google option, pick your preferred Google account, and you'll be inside your WordPress dashboard in seconds. Once you're in, look for the Quick Links section. Here, click on Edit Site. This will open the WordPress site editor where you can adjust the design and layout of your pages. Now scroll through your page until you find the image carousel block. Once you see it, click on it. This will highlight the block and automatically open its settings panel on the right side of the screen. This is where the magic happens. Inside the block settings, look for an option called Slides Per View or something very similar, depending on your theme. This setting controls how many images appear side by side inside your carousel. If your carousel currently shows only 1 or 2 slides, simply increase the number. Try 3, 4, or even more depending on the layout you want. A quick tip, experiment a bit to see which layout looks the most visually balanced for your page. After adjusting the number, hit the preview button. This lets you confirm exactly how the carousel looks before publishing. If everything looks sharp and the number of slides matches your vision, go ahead and publish your changes. And that's it. You've successfully increased the slide view count in WordPress, making your carousel more dynamic and your site more engaging for your visitors. If this guide helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more quick WordPress tutorials, and drop a comment if there's another feature you want me to cover. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.